Welcome to Mr. Auto Pro, your trusted source for the latest motorcycle news and reviews. Today, we're exploring the new 2025 Bajaj CT125X, a commuter bike designed for riders who want reliability, durability, and excellent fuel efficiency, all wrapped in a rugged new look. Design and build quality. The 2025 Bajaj CT125X carries forward its tough, no-nonsense styling with practical enhancements. The round halogen headlamp, integrated LED DRL, and metal bash plate give it a bold, purposeful appearance. Its semi-knobby tires, crash guards, and thickly padded seat make it ready for daily rides on both smooth roads and rough terrain. Bajaj has clearly built this bike to handle the realities of Indian and Asian road conditions. Engine and performance. Under the tank, the CT125X is powered by a 124.4 cubic centimeters single-cylinder, air-cooled engine that produces around 10.9 horsepower of power and 11 newton-meters of torque. Paired with a 5-speed gearbox, the engine delivers smooth power delivery and impressive mileage. It's tuned for low-end torque, making it ideal for city commutes and carrying loads. Comfort and ride experience. The upright seating posture, wide handlebars, and long travel suspension ensure comfort during long hours on the road. Its dual-spring nitrox rear shocks and telescopic front forks handle bumps efficiently, while the wide seat offers enough space for both rider and pillion. Features and technology. The 2025 CT125X keeps things simple yet effective. It features an analog instrument cluster, durable switches, and optional front disc brakes for added safety. The bike's low maintenance cost and rugged build make it one of the most practical choices in the 125 cubic centimeters segment. Verdict. The 2025 Bajaj CT125X continues to be a dependable partner for daily commuters and rural riders alike. With its strong engine, solid build, and budget-friendly pricing, it's a motorcycle built for real-world performance. Outro, Mr. Auto Pro. That's all for today's review of the 2025 Bajaj CT125X. Stay tuned to Mr. Auto Pro for more detailed updates on upcoming motorcycles and automotive news.